Hello, and welcome to the live session. Sorry about all the mess that I have around. I have been really busy with different things doing at the moment. So basically, yes, as engineer, you can find everything here. You can find even cables. Yes, I will share about these cables. Basically, I was working with one of the project related with karting. Yes, which I really like. Yeah, you can see a lot of stuff here. Okay, anyway, but one of the things that I would like to share with you, my dear friends, it is the subscriptions today. And as you always know, I have started this new approach for sharing new subscriptions to the people that are following the channel, that have subscribed, and you can join through this, um, let's say, free access some of the material that I have specifically created for you. And with that, you can see the material itself. You can run through the different, let's say, videos, different scenarios, different training sessions. And yes, that will create much better connection, let's say, with the audience and myself, and we will share, let's say, our knowledge that we have been accumulating. The reason why I'm doing that, because I know that this is really demanding industry. It is a industry which has a lot of hazards, and since you learn this industry, you can master any kind of industries. It does not matter which kind of industry you will be. From that point, you for sure will master everything. And the reason why this will happen, because basically at sea, you have to create things, you have to maintain things in order to survive. Okay. Similar, let's say, if you are looking to the aviation engineers, if they are making some mistakes, the plane fall down. Similar to the vessel, if the vessel are not functioning in the bad weather conditions, the ship is sinking. And the reason why I'm sharing is to give my experience through this material. Because since you get it, you will have a much easier way further down the road. And this is the most important thing. So, yes, just simple sharing of the experience. I really like it. Yes, I really enjoyed, because as I have posted in my LinkedIn account, that when I started in this section, there was no available information, only the books, only the manuals. And yes, that's all that we had at the moment. So I had to put my head down, questioning a lot. And still now I'm always questioning, okay, why we do that, why we do this thing. Because when you have questions, you can really learn, yes, and you can really compare of what the person is saying to you, basis also on your own experience. Then you can compare these two things, and then you can create something additional, something that you have not seen. Okay, let's do it quickly. I do not like to consume your time unnecessarily. This is the point also in the material. The material itself, it is so much well structured that it delivers directly the knowledge that is required in specific time. This is also very important thing, that we do not consume your time for any other reason than learning. And this is also, yes, how I would like also to get the information without spending unnecessary time, without, let's say, explaining, over explaining. It is direct, clear, as required. So, my LinkedIn account is back. I'm really giving my best there by posting different insights about the industry. Most of them, let's say 99%, are real. I use also generation to improve, let's say, the text, but the ideas that I reflect there, it's really, really mine. So you can jump on it, you can see what I have shared so far, you can join there, and you can also take any of that ideas and use them in your industry. Because I believe this kind of ideas, this kind of approach of sharing the knowledge, sharing the details of how the things is done, what is affected, what it consists, let's say, in specific topic, it really will help other industries to progress. And also, if you are not progressing, you will just looking as, let's say, a educational channel, or let's say like a documentary, something like that. So let's do the share of subscriptions. Let's see. Okay, I have 10 subscriptions this month. Let's see. I will send 5 now. Let's see who are the lucky one. Let's see who are the lucky one. Lucky one. I will share the profiles. Max NL. Oh wow, Max NL. You have free. I believe he subscribed. Let me check. Let me check. I believe Max NL. I don't know, Max, if you are from Netherlands, but if you are from there, greetings. Let's see. Let's see. A very, very big thank you to all the members that are subscribed, and I will refer all the members today. We have total let's see, Indigo 53. Okay, Rabish Kumar, greetings. Kevin, Lenin Hozokazu Soul. This is the 4 people that earn, yes. So Max has totally 2 months on subscription totally. 1 month has already Indigo 53. Rabish, it is the first time he get this subscription. And many thanks, yes, to Epleda Spony, losing Genirish Gomez. Excuse me if I have not pronounced correct. Mr. Dick Gaming 33331. Nicolos Kalodoukas. 2 months on the superintendent level. Wow, that's great, Nicolas. Thank you. Ευχαριστώ πολύ, Nicola. Durman Salier Dohan, 8 months. Wow, on the superintendent level. Harsh Mert, 3 months. Augustine, 345, 6 months. Elton Freitas, 6 months. Wow, we have really, really powerful team. Burmeister and Vane, 7 months. And up here, Kandula, 10 months. Wow, 10 months on total time. Wow, 10 months on subscription on the superintendent level. I believe probably he is on the, let's say, the sailing, and he has forget, let's say, to cancel the subscription. Wow. So there's a lot of levels. There's superintendent levels, technical manager level. I have forgotten myself all these levels. Let me check them. So the first one is the superintendent level. Then we have the technical manager level. We have the crude oil washing course, which is combine the superintendent and the technical manager. You get everything plus the crude oil washing course if you are, let's say, going for tankers. And then we have Marine Simulations Bundle. So the Marine Simulations Bundle also adds all the 120, 130 simulations that I have done, real cases, starting equipment, some problems, some issues that we have faced. So if you are purchasing, let's say, the Marine Simulations Bundle, you get everything. You get the simulations, the crude oil washing, the technical manager material, the superintendent material, all the things. And the bunkering optimization level has also everything that is related for improvement of the bunkering operations. Okay, so it's more extensive. It's not that expensive. I can say it's only 99.9. So it is for mostly for the companies, or let's say for individuals, or for the project managers that would like, let's say, to improve their understanding of how we can improve the banking operations. I have told many, many times, I have advertised that this is the niche on the banking operations, and it includes sludge operations, and it includes also the banking operations optimization. So what this means basically that you have less time spent on the banking. It is much more safer. It is much more reliable as well from the view of loss control, because as you know, I have worked in the loss control for almost 3 years, and I have transferred all my knowledge from the engineering viewpoint, as sailing on the vessel of multiple type of vessels. I have sailed in the passengers, in the tankers, in bulk carriers, container vessels. So I have accumulated all that knowledge and put it in place that operationally there is such an improvement that the industry has not yet seen. And this is a game changing design which makes the bunkering operations and sludge dewatering operations much, much easier. To give you an example, my small interference and small change for improvement has changed to a company drastically within 1.5 years the expenses. And one of the examples that I will give you, one small shift of rewriting the processes of how the things done change the profits by $300,000 euros. So excuse me, 300,000 euros per year less expenses of what they are doing before. Okay, this is just an example, and I have thousands of these kind of examples that I'm capable to look for and identify the gaps and the operational, let's say, expenses that is actual there, but nobody is questioning why it's there and for what reason. I know the reason behind that. I know the reason that it requires a lot of time, a lot of focus, a lot of searching of information, knowing the exact processes, talking also with the agencies and all the things, discuss things about the efficiency, how we can do it differently, and what we can improve, and also through all the stakeholders that are actually connected to a project or to a specific, let's say, operation. So this is the part, yes, of the levels. The levels we have give over also the subscriptions. And one thing that I would like to remind, and also one thing that the main reason the video is made today, it is focus on the safety. I would like to talk about the safety, that the safety is the most critical part of our activities in any kind of things that we are doing in our daily life, in, let's say, on board the vessel, in the engine room, on the deck, wherever we are. So we have to place ourselves, um, mostly our body, in such a way that we are in fully control of what we are doing, of our actions. And what I mean by that, I mean, and I will give you one example for, let's say, a daily job that you're working with the spanners, you're doing something, let's say, transferring something by a cart or wherever, let's say, you're driving, okay? Three different examples. The spanners can sleep while you are, let's say, tightening or untightening things, okay? It can hit you, it can damage, let's say, your tooths, your bones, or wherever, okay? So there is a attention that is required of how you position your body. The next thing is, while you're driving, okay, you have to have focus, you have to be concentrated, you have, let's say, to keep the proper distance and all the things. It is also the skills that is required for this kind of task. And transferring things with a card, you have to look that it will not get, let's say, junk, how you call it, jump, yeah, somewhere, or stuck, and you roll over, you slip, or the heavy things that you are transferring by the car slip down and fall down somewhere and break, let's say, the equipment, break somebody else's leg or something. So in every tasks we have risks in every kind of task. It is small, it's big. The only thing that I would like from you to remember that wherever you're doing, and whatever thing you're doing, yes, you have to be focused and identify the risks. Identify the risks. Maybe there is small risks, maybe there is big risks, but always try to identify what kind of risks I having right now. Okay, what can happen before I'm doing the job? Even this is the most appropriate way. So, what I will face? Will I face, let's say, hot water? Will I face pressure? Will I face this thing? Start to thinking from your apprenticeships. And yes, this is mostly focused to the apprentice, because some people, yes, were in age, let's say, of 35, 40s, they already have some experience, but those are the youngest. Those are, let's say, 17, 18 years old that they are starting, let's say, to prepare their first steps, the first foot on the ground. This is the first people that we have to give attention. And it does not make any sense after, let's say, in the industry for more than, let's say, in total, more than almost 18 years, 19 years, it does not make any sense to press somebody and ask them to make faster, okay? Because we have plenty of time, we have plenty of opportunities, we have plenty of different cases that we can discuss first of all before even doing something. So there's no urgency for anything, okay, to be done. There's only urgency and focus on the safety itself. So it does not matter if the job will be done or not be done. The most important thing is the safety. The safety and the security of your asset, which is your body. This is the most valuable asset that you will have. By applying all the skills, all the knowledge, the focus is to make your work and your job easier. This is the goal. We never design a system that it is making the work difficult, okay, and efficient. This is like to be, let's say, a masochist. You like pain, let's say. Okay, it can be also the case, but I don't know. But yes, the most important thing is to focus on what is actually needed, what is required, and how we will do it in the most easiest and efficient way, safely and with, let's say, happiness. Okay, we have to create such environment that we are not just sitting like that without able to talk. We are creating an environment when we are free to speak up, free to hear, and free to share our um, our belief. Okay, what we are thinking. We are not hiding that. In such environment, yes, things are working, support is working, and we are progressing further on. So, what I will focus now to give the second um, subscription present. Let's do it now. And I will send it 5 more. Let's see who is the luckiest. Okay, we will announce them. We will announce them. Okay. Who take them? Who take them? Let's see, let's see, let's see. We are waiting. Okay. Let's see. Who will accept? Who will accept? I'm sharing. I'm sharing free subscriptions for 1 month on the superintendent level. You just have to acknowledge and get it. Let's see. Let's see. Wow, interesting message, Shannon. What it means? You are from China. Yes. Translator, translator, translator. Maybe say hello, eh? Let's see. I need to copy it. I need. So yes, safety, kindness. It means kindness. Thank you very much. Thank you. So I have told you, yes, that I have also free material, but mostly, yes, the material is paid because I truly believe that the material, it is a material that it still stands through nowadays. It will stand also in the future as well, because for sure I will add up some additional video to that. But I believe also the material that so far has been created, it is very interesting, it is reliable, and also it gives a lot of interest from all the people that has been involved so far. And this is the most important, yes, is to keep you with that information that actually you will use it. Okay, you will take it and you will apply it on the field, and it makes, yes, the life easier for everybody. I would like to remind you that I have sailed with one of my friends. He's still sailing. He's now a second engineer. Previously he was third engineer, I was second engineer. We sailed together. He told me that 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 was the only one time through his entire career that he really enjoys sailing on the vessel. So that says a lot. That says a lot that he understands the commitment and the um, cooperative connection that we had while being on board. So all the things done smoothly, done exactly as it is, and the cooperation, yes, was on the maximum level. So we did not have any kind of alarms during the evening. And also one of the chief officers asked us, guys, what you're doing? You do not have any alarms. And my answer was yes, we know how to work. This is the reason we do not have alarms, and it's not required from us to stay after 5 o'clock in the evening to do any kind of jobs. We are professionals, we have done our job, we have documented it with within the PMS system, the plant maintenance system, and that's all. We have our free time, and we will spend this free time as we love it, because we have done our job, we have accomplished our mission through the day. The ship is moving, the ship is going from A destination to B, and that is required with safety, reliability, and also improvement through the days that are coming. This is the reason, yes, that I really, really liked sailing on VLCC's vessel. This is one of the vessels, yes, that you need to have a strong, competitive, let's say, knowledge, because you have a lot of varieties equipment, you have huge amount of barrels sailing with you, almost 2 million barrels vessel. So you have also a really, really huge attention on um, the condition of the vessel, because it's a really, really huge demand to keep such monster with the same crew on board in good shape. Because the equipment, yes, they get bigger, the engines get bigger, the tanks get bigger, everything get much more massive. And this is kind of the vessels which is one of the biggest sea monsters still sailing across the globe. Thank you, my dear friends. I hope I will see you here on some video, or much probably on the LinkedIn. Check also the LinkedIn account. I have plenty material. Go there, subscribe. It is completely updated, completely refurbished, and it has many ideas. Thank you, and I wish you a great evening. Bye bye.